guys, I'm Shreya and today I will be blindfolded and my mom will give me some things and I will identify that things.
Okay, shall we start again?
Yes, of course.
Wear it. Now I will give you a thing and you have to identify that key. What is this?
Key?
Yes, this is key. Now tell me, what is this?
It is brinjal.
Yes, this is brinjal. Now tell me, what is this?
Spoon?
Yes, this is spoon. Now tell me, what is this?
It is chocolate.
Yes, this is chocolate. Now tell me, what is this?
Scale?
Yes. Now I will give you a food item and you have to eat it and tell me, what is this?
Biscuit?
Yes.
Mama, it is so nice game and I like this game. But I don't understand why we play this game. What is the purpose of this game?
We play this game to learn fourth classification of noun, and that is concrete noun and abstract noun.
Wow.
Okay? I will describe you briefly.
I'm excited about this.
Look, in this game, Shreya used two sense organs. She identified key, brinjal by touching her hand, and she identified biscuit by tasting her tongue. Means she used two sense organs in this game. So these are concrete nouns. Because concrete nouns are nouns that can be identified from any out of five senses. I will give you another example. I like gulab jamun. Here, gulab jamun is concrete noun because we can touch, see, taste and smell gulab jamun. So, it is a concrete noun. Now, let's look another category of noun, that is abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Nouns that cannot be identified from any of five senses. म्हणजे आपला एकही सेन्स ऑर्गॅन न वापरता आपण आयडेंटिफाय करू शकतो तो असतो ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट नाउन. नॉट बाय टच, टेस्ट, साइट, हिअरिंग अँड स्मेल. बेसिकली ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट नाउन डिफाइन्स थ्री थिंग्स: आयडिया, क्वालिटी अँड स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. When we sleeping and any dream comes in our mind, what's that? It's an abstract noun. Suppose एखादी आयडिया आपल्या डोक्यात आली. You cannot see, smell, hear, taste or touch your idea. We just have an imagination and that is abstract noun. Now we will discuss about quality. Kindness is a quality. Here we will take example. Piyush is a intelligent boy. So intelligence defines the quality of Piyush. So it is a abstract noun. Happiness is the example of state of mind. Our friendship is forever. Here, friendship is defining relationship between us. So, it is an abstract noun. See some example of combination of concrete noun and abstract noun. Akshay is very emotional person. In this sentence, Akshay and person are concrete noun and emotional is abstract noun. We will take one example again. Vedanti is a beautiful girl. Here, Vedanti and girl are concrete nouns and beautiful is abstract noun. Okay students, I hope you have learned very well concrete noun and abstract noun today. Okay, we will repeat once again. What is concrete noun? Things that you can see, smell, touch, taste or hear, that is concrete noun. And about abstract noun, things that defines an idea, quality or state of mind, that is abstract noun. Okay students, have a nice day. Stay safe and stay healthy in this lockdown period.